the first Filipino brand ever to be listed. So our ticker symbol is HBNB. Next slide, please. So behind the concept of Hotel 101 are two business giants and visionaries, Edgar Injapsia, owner and founder of Mang Inasal, and Tony Tan Kak Yong, founder of Jollibee Foods Corporation. In 2013, they started a real estate company called Double Dragon Corporation, and under Double Dragon Corporation have created a separate entity which is called Hotel 101 Global Holdings Corporation. Next slide, please. So, Double Dragon Corporation has a total asset of 214.8 billion. From 2013 having only an equity of 615 million, we've already grown and acquired 1.4 million square meters. Next slide, please. Next slide, please. Next slide. Okay. So through the years, these business giants learned through years of experience in managing their fast food chains that standardization is important. Now, standardization is important because it brings unbeatable efficiency and consistency. But what is the equivalent? So standardization exists in almost every value segment globally. But what is the equivalent in the global hotel segment? Next slide, please. So the answer is, wala pa talaga. So that's why our visionaries conceptualized Hotel 101, giving one global hotel room. Our guests know exactly what to expect no matter where they are. So in any Hotel 101 branch, there is a standardized room, a 21 square meter room. All rooms look alike. Our rooms have a queen size bed and a single bed. And as you can see, although we are a 3-star hotel, the look of our rooms, the feel gives you the feel of that of a 4-star hotel. So we offer bathroom slippers in our bedroom slippers in our units. We also have microwaves, refrigerators, flat screen TVs, and as you can see on the side, we have awards. We've had numerous awards. So TripAdvisor awarded us Traveler's Choice in 2021. Trip.com awarded us Top Engaged Chain in 2024, and Expedia Top 3-Star Hotel in 2019, and in Booking.com, highest rated hotel chain in 2024. Next slide, please. So why we win? We win because we have one uniform standard global hotel room, which makes it easier for us to expand and more efficient. We have 5 times the size of hotels in the value segment. So like I mentioned a while ago, we are a 3-star hotel but with 5-star amenities. We do blitzscaling through fragmented ownership. We have a unique and innovative offering. We have a sustainable business model, and we are technology driven. So as you can see in the slide, our hotel, our first operational hotel, 101 in Manila. In 2017, when we opened, we had an occupancy rate of 69%, and in 2021 grew to 96%. So this says a lot about our company because during the 2019 to 2021, this was the time of the pandemic, and yet we were still able to reach these numbers. So next